Have you ever opened a blank Word document to start your literature review and then just stared at it for hours, not knowing how to begin? That's called blank page panic. And if you are a researcher, you have definitely felt it. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix that using Jenni AI step by step so you never waste time stuck at the starting point again. Go to Jenni AI and do sign up, and actually it is really easy, no need to include any credit card details. And once you sign up, this is how the interface looks like. Now click new to open a new document, and actually before going to open a new document, we have some document settings to set up. First, in this dialog box, we need to give the prompt. Prompt mean what we need. So just type what you want. No need complex things. Just simply write what you need. And actually here this shows the strength of the prompt. You can improve according to the prompt suggestions. But I type here I need a literature review about the impact of pay on employee performance. See, it shows my prompt is average prompt, and I need to add important keywords to make it strong it. Anyway, I am not going to add more keywords. This is enough. This is why I love Jenni. We don't need complex prompt engineering skills, just few keywords enough. Now let's check these generate outline settings. Here we can see there are three types: standard headings, smart headings, and no headings. If we click standard headings, it adds standard headings to the outline, like generally what needs for a literature review, like introduction, methods, results, etc. Second, if we click smart headings, then our outline create as per our prompt. It means we can get customized outline for literature review. You know, different universities have different requirements for literature review chapter, and also literature chapter things can change as per methodology type and also degree types. I always recommend to click smart headings, but it is not an issue if you don't have any idea. You can choose standard headings and do changes as you go. Third option is no headings. It means there will not be any subheadings in the document, only blank page. This is also good if you already have literature review chapter outline. You can just give a prompt as same as we gave and click no headings and copy paste your university outline to the document and start to write. But today I clicked smart headings. Now other most important thing is that now we can control the automation part by setting up this autocomplete settings. First, it is important to keep on autocomplete and show autocomplete buttons. When we click autocomplete, it gives Jenni to draft sentences for us while we type, and when we click show autocomplete buttons, it shows quick accept, try again controls. You will understand while you write what I am saying. Then we can choose our reference style. Here we have almost all types of reference styles. After that, switch on auto-cite from external sources. This pulls credible web papers into citation apart from our library papers. This is really good because it confirms we can cover almost all related papers to our paper, because manually we can't do that. And also you need to keep on auto-cite library if you already have saved paper collection. This means when write our paper, Jenni cites from our saved PDFs too. See, none of paper not missing with Jenni AI. The compulsory settings, but we have some optional settings too. I recommend you to keep on. First one is limit to specific collection. Think like you have saved papers into a different collection files in library. If certain file is extremely important, we can choose that file here. Second one is citation recency filter. This is also important. We always should use newest study findings, at least recent 5 years, don't go more than 10 years, okay? Other one is impact factor filter. This allows to include high quality journal papers to our paper. This is also compulsory, not optional. Okay, now we have automated our flow and click start writing. See our outline. Actually here all things include what we need for a literature review from introduction to conclusion. Now we need to start writing section by section. Actually here we don't do writing, we read and deciding. Just put the cursor, see it automatically write section by section. Here read the section. If you like that, you can accept. If you don't like, you can click try again. You can do several times, multiple times until you feel okay. And also if you have idea on your mind, just click shift plus enter. Now you can start write and Jenni will help.
See how easy things. Remember earlier how much time you spent on the blank page without having ideas. Now you just only need to read, understand, and decide. Don't accept what AI give, read by yourself. That's your job. And also here we can check in-text citation with actual paper directly. Many papers open access. You can check with papers and also see in down our final reference list automatically updated. Once all completed, you only need to export the document in your preferred format.
AI costs just $12 per month, and honestly, every research student should have this tool when writing their paper. There's a free trial link in the description, so try it today and experience the difference. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more smart thesis writing tips.